traders, we're looking at gold. I have to say I am a bit of a contrarian. Let's go out of here. I want to go to the weekly time frame and we'll do a very quick top down. This is bullish. Look at it. Okay, bullish trend. However, it has been under pressure, but we do have higher lows and higher highs trending up. 3 weeks we've seen bearish price action. See this red candle back in here? Big level, guys, big support zone, bullish order block on the weekly. We're trading right into it. So let's go down daily time frame. Yeah, I mean, we do have this break on the daily to the downside here, but you don't want to be selling into, let's just grab these two candles here, okay, bullish accumulation range on the daily time frame right there, and the weekly. So we've got a nested level here of the daily and the weekly that we're trading into. So this is huge support. I don't want to be selling into that, but I'm more interested in looking for a buy opportunity. So let's just take that out. I want to go down to the 4-hour time frame. Now we know we're trading into a big support zone. So let's go to the 4-hour. Okay, here it is. Now, yeah, this is trending south, but look what we've got here. See this thin candle back here? Okay, bearish imbalance. Mark it up. That's a target. Just call it that. Whoa, imbalance. There it is. Okay, that is a target. Okay, the market will always look to rebalance. See down in here, see this thin candle here, this candle here, this is a bullish imbalance. Right, the market looks for two things, liquidity and to rebalance. Okay, so it's hit that. Market has rebalanced. Where's the liquidity? Well, at the moment it's resting under these, there's a double bottom here. The other thing you want to, well, relative equal lows, right? So whenever I see something like that and I see the market come down and hit liquidity under equal lows like this, I'm waiting for this thing to find its feet and trade north. That's what I'm looking for, guys. Double bottom. Yeah, this is the fakey shaky chart pattern that I talk about. It's not my idea, but I like the term fakey shaky. You get a bit of a fake out and a shake out and the market continues. I'll show you what I'm talking about. We'll go down to a 30-minute time frame. So I'm looking for that to occur. In other words, it starts to range here. Here's a perfect example, by the way. Look, see how this is the only chart pattern I'm interested in. See how it's ranging here. This is building liquidity and they're looking to tank it down into this level, right? You get a bit of a fake out and that draws in sellers. In other words, they build more liquidity above here in the form of buy stops with these sellers coming into the market down in here. Buy stops get set up, they hit that with a vengeance. That gets taken out and look at this thing tanking. And then we trade down into a key support zone. So I'm looking for a similar setup under here. Fake out, shake out. So let's just, well, we can keep these drawings on here, that's fine. I'll just pull this across. This is what I'm looking for. Okay, big support. In fact, we'll just drag that over a little bit more. Big support zone. Trades down into it. I want to see it ranging as it did through here, right? And then I want to see the fake out, a bit of a shake out. Then we get the opportunity. They'll build liquidity under. They trade it up. They build more liquidity under. They hit it. And then our opportunity comes when this, wow, something like that. This high gets compromised. Let me just clear these drawings. I'll just draw that for you. Okay, so I'm looking for that. We're looking for a bit of a fake out, a shake out, displacement to the upside, and then we get our opportunity, right? So there is the opportunity when we see two breaks. The first one is a shift in the trend, change in character, and the second one is the break of market structure. And the opportunity to get involved is on that. Well, I mean, you can take a chance and get in early, but I'd go with this break of structure, and that would be my buy. But, you know, just wait for this price action to set up. We want to see it rotate. Now, it could happen, as I said, look, let's go back. I've got to go back out to a 4 hour. Let's just quickly do this, and then I'll wrap up the video. All right. Just mark up some key, look, key level here, 4 hour time frame. There's a bullish order block on the 4H. Let's just call that our support. Do that, mark it up. So we've got it marked up on the charts for when we go down to the lower time frame. So we have that, and I want to see this price action playing out around this green zone here. Now it could happen here, could happen lower, but you know, you wait for it, and the thing that you want to see happening is it starts to form higher highs and higher lows on the 30-minute time frame, and then that's your opportunity. So I'm long gold, but only when this price action unfolds and invites us in. Anything else is speculation, and it's a higher risk. That's my take on the on gold, guys. And look, with that, I'd love to hear your comments. Definitely leave a comment below. And as always, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next video.